staff also will keep it.
You also want to have some meeting later?
Staff will keep on. Give us information on this, but something has to be written so that you are keeping this description that one collection we can keep to me. Or like you got the point.
You go for one round. Yeah.
So we received information around 11:30, 11:35. The polling was going peacefully till 11:20. Then after that, we received information that the group of people have entered in Wapung Skur A and B, and then they have destroyed the EVMs. So once we received information, we have deputed additional forces to ensure that all people are safe in the locality and no one is harmed. Also that there has been no injuries reported in this particular incident, but however the EVM has been destroyed. So we are going with the necessary case for further necessary action. No, so far we have not received any such information of attacking people, but the EVMs were destroyed.
Kani ka polling station jong ka Wapung Skur E bakadai jong ka jong Shenrang bat B pada kadai jong ki Kentai. Te hakani pada baro kaya baik menstep di kamdon ni ai kadon ka junior suku bakla menstep kendiak layapan baik te kalayat baik baro te hadu hatway angko mu kalayat baik ka kambaro nrei hadin pada tentu hakapor hatway lai kusan tinggi yo nak report bangkala don kata kajing wan jom kita kibriu kibam itu khmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni kibadang ya terikam na kaliang presiding buat ki polling team jom presiding bat i sector officer bat i zonal magistrate ti itu khmat kisuan kisu le force entry nang ta kisu penpat penperalun yaki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lu dia kai ka kam penle election te ha ka ju ko porhi had kumbakat way lai pinyo pada kilik sahapo sakita kiway pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station junction rang hangta pada kisdang sakitaru kilik ban pen huri hura hangta bat tempat nut ya kitiar EVM kibamla itu khmat di habaki nak liang jong kisnong ru kila penjai-jai yaki tang ba mla ban itu khmat kisuan kirung baik ki penpat ha kamil ru ti nrei baro menstep kalang kalaya jai bah karukomlong jongka jing thebut te kensan ha kita kipori isu penpat penprano ya ki EVM omla ban itu khmat wairu ki ong babun bamla ban itu khmat te ni nang ha banwat jingtep ya kata
ha kanu kadurung itu khmat they cover the free so
dem ki klam cover tamak ki priu ki ba trei ya ka kam election kim itu iki kim tip ya ki dei national ne kim dei ru tip okay di stangki snong hi kila ban pek mi kata ndai nakaliang jong polling team jong ni ki ong nim itu ki dei na e kim ong badai na e ru badai na kami ka snong ne badai na ki surung be forcefully surung be ki supen surung ki suwan pen